Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I would like to share with you how you can use app lock on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to access devices settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps section. Now click on app lock at the bottom and choose turn on. Following that, you need to create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps and then repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in onto your Mi account or choose Not Now. Then wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps, you can do that by clicking on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them and tap on Use App Lock then. Now you can click on Settings in this pop-up and use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well. I will go with Cancel though. Finally, just click on the sweater next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with AliExpress. So now when I go back and try to access AliExpress app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, you need to access the same settings. Tap on the same sweater, and now when I go back, it's unlocked. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!